I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Now search and select Dropbox. To get client ID in secret, please visit Dropbox API console. Choose Scoped Access. Choose Full Dropbox. Name your app. Bit Integrations. Now click on Create App. Go to Permissions. Give all these permissions. Then click on Submit. Go back to Settings. Copy app key and paste it here. Copy app secret and paste it here. To get access code, please visit Dropbox access code. Click Continue. Click Allow. Copy access code and paste it here. Click Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click Next. Select field, Upload file. Select your respective folder. You can also delete your files from WordPress by check this box. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Choose your file. Click on Send Message. Let's check our Dropbox. As you can see, file successfully uploaded to Dropbox. Thanks for watching.